Hey, if you subscribe to this channel, yes, you get 2 free recipes every week. But it's not the fact that you get 2 free recipes. It's all about the recipes. Like today's recipe is really unique. It's a dessert. It's an ice cream dessert. It's a variation on a classic Indian dessert called Falooda. Falooda is, how do I describe this? I don't even know. It's got pasta in it. Pasta! It's got basil seeds. Like how you grow basil in the garden. The seeds. It's got in there. It's got rose water. So it comes together beautifully, and it's a beautiful dessert. Very easy to make. The hardest part is find the ingredients, and I found them all online on Amazon. So Amazon makes it quite simple. And you put it together and it's wonderful. Want to impress people? Huh? This is an impressive dessert because it's very unusual. People will say, wow, where'd you ever find this idea? You know what you gotta tell them? I subscribe to Chef Dan. He's almost vegan. Let's get cooking. First thing I have to deal with is these basil seeds, okay? This is the seed of a sweet basil plant. That's all it is. Now you can't use it just like this out of the bag. I'm gonna take 1 cup of water and I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of basil seed to it. 1. And this is what the basil seed actually looks like. You can see that? Just like seeds. 2. I'm gonna mix this up. I'm gonna let that sit for 20 minutes. 20 minutes. Hey, 20 minutes later, this is what it looks like. Okay, it's like bloomed. Beautiful. Now I'm gonna make the sauce. I'm gonna use 2 cups of oat milk. Now we're gonna add this coconut sugar. It's got like the taste of caramel. Delicious stuff, absolutely delicious. And it's pretty good for you. It is sugar, so be careful, but it is better for you than white sugar. That's what it looks like, and we're gonna add 1/4 cup. And 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla. I'm using a Mexican vanilla, outstanding stuff, really good flavor, and about half the price of the classic Madagascar vanilla. Very good stuff. 1/2 teaspoon. You see the color of this is kind of like coffee. That's okay. I'm going to bring it to a boil and then turn it down, just simmer it. I'm going to simmer this for about 10 minutes. Just to bring the flavors together. And then I'm going to cool it down. Hey, this is what it looks like. It's very thin, that's okay. It's not supposed to be too thick. I don't want it too rich. You're going to serve ice cream with this. The ice cream is very rich. I don't want everything to be rich, then it's too rich. Okay, so it's nice and thin, it has a great flavor. Wow, is that good? It's like caramel sauce, but it's a little liquidy, so it's not too like rich and sweet. You could drink this whole thing. It's wonderful, fantastic. Hey, bottoms up. The last thing I have to show you is the vermicelli. Okay, this is angel hair pasta. I didn't have vermicelli in the store. I did have angel hair pasta. I cooked it. So I cooked the vermicelli or angel hair pasta. The directions say cook in some salted boiling water for 4 to 5 minutes. I cooked it for 6 or 7 minutes. Cook it extra because you're serving it cold. And if you cook it al dente, the bite you get from al dente is going to be like hard. It's going to be like crisp. You don't want that. You want it to be soft. You want that texture to be soft. It's just not appealing if it's got like a crispiness to it. So cook it a little extra. Taste it. It should be like soft, not mushy, but soft. And then drain it, rinse it good, get some of that starch off of it. And set it aside. Now, we got to put this whole thing together. Watch how easy this is. And delicious. Okay, you're going to have to start with a nice tall glass like that. And the bottom you're going to put two tablespoons of rose water syrup. Just like that. Okay? Then you're going to add about 2 tablespoons of the basil seed that's been soaking in water. Just like that. Okay? Now you're going to add about 1/4 cup of the vermicelli. Just like that. A scoop of vanilla ice cream. Dairy-free vegan vanilla ice cream. Delicious. I take about a tablespoon of, I use chopped walnuts, that's fine. Sprinkle them right on top like that. Hey, remember that sauce we made? Here it is, it's right in there. Check this out. Woo! Pour about 1/2 cup right over the top. That's beautiful. Hey, this is a fantastic dessert, right? Very unique, very different flavors, ingredients. Not found everywhere, just very unique. You want another unique recipe? Check out my black bean brownies. Delicious and made from black beans. But that's a whole nother video. Check it out. I'll see you there.